crashing in. Welcome, everyone. Team 7 is not on another adventure, but we are sort of an adventure, sort of a mystery.
Yeah.
I mean, you knew it was coming eventually. We had a lot of cool stuff. We do a lot of things. We practically put all kinds of stuff on this channel.
Mm-hmm. A lot.
It's a very eclectic channel. I mean, maybe I should have a second. No, I'm not doing the second channel. No, I'm not doing it. But today, we're going to do our first little... unboxing. We're going to unbox something very near and dear and very special for me. You know, we all got our heroes growing up. Some people's Michael Jordan, Shaquille O'Neal, Elvis Presley, who else? Just a whole bunch of people. Yeah. Everybody's got the heroes. Ronaldo, Pele. To me, there's one person who is all of those people all rolled up in one. And I got something here commemorating that special person in my life who's been a part of my life all my life at this point. All my life. So let's proceed. Got a knife. You're so scared.
Because every time you open it, I feel like you're going to go...
No, I'm not going to do that. So, all right. Let's open it. The funny thing I should say, well, what's funny to me is when FedEx comes to my house, the box never looks this good. In fact, the last box...
It's still bad.
Yeah, and it's still not that good, but the last box I got from FedEx...
was chopped in half. Practically.
Oh my God, it was in pieces. It was horrible. So this is, well, that's only because this particular item was sent to my mother's house. It's actually a birthday gift from my mother, the world's greatest mom. Thank you, Judy Montalvo. But yeah, me and my mother have this special, well, we have this gift giving thing. And yeah, it's gone on for the past few years. So there's one particular gift she gets me every year for my birthday. And this is one of those sort of things. And first you open it up and it's all bubble wrap.
I'll take the
There's lots of bubble wrap. Oh, you gotta pull it all.
Yeah.
Make it a mess of the paper.
What's on the back?
Oh, it's on the back. Just in case you wanted to return it.
Oh, okay.
So, but anyway.
You can put that right back in there.
Yeah, put that back in there. The bubble wrap and stuff. And
dun, 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 dun.
okay, let's take the box. The paper is in there.
It's some bubble wrap, guys.
And oh wow!
Ooh.
This was completely unexpected. This is I didn't know it was gonna come like this. As you can tell by now, it's a WWE Championship Belt, and this one is commemorating the man himself. Woo! 16-time champion, Ric Flair. Which, if you've been following Ric Flair, he's about the 24-time champion, but WWE doesn't
count all the other places.
They don't count all the other places he's been. And I got to tell you straight off the top that this belt is significantly heavier than the other belts.
Okay.
Well, the other belts like it.
It is. It's really heavy.
It is heavier. Man, that's pretty awesome. They got that script on it. Yeah, I was not.
And it has a 16
Yeah,
time.
I was not ready for that. I thought it was gonna be the generic
like
WWE logo. Yeah, the bag is different.
Doesn't even usually it has WWE and then it says the type of title right here.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not even like that anymore.
Exactly.
It just says Ric Flair.
Woo! You can't say Ric Flair without the woo.
Without the woo.
Let's open it up. So of course this is the title they call Big Gold. And
it's wrapped up. You guys can't see it right now.
And the plates, hold on. And the plates are thicker than normal. They sell other versions of this belt
Is it? Oh,
that 2 millimeter and then the 4mm. This particular title is 5mm.
So it's really big.
So it's thicker, it's heavier. The engravings is probably going to be outstanding. I haven't looked at the engravings yet. As you can tell, we're unwrapping the saran wrap. I go on there. And yeah, the engravings are probably gonna be awesome, because that's really the difference between the 2mm big gold and the 4. Oh my goodness!
Look at it.
All I'm gonna tell you is everything I've seen online and even at WWEshop.com with the picture of the belt does not do this belt any justice. Of course, you can tell from the side that the plates are thicker.
Really much thicker.
And
that is so cool.
my goodness. That is... that is crazy. Check it out. It has Ric Flair's name. Usually you get this championship title. There is nothing here. It is just a flat plate with nothing here. Here it's has Ric Flair's name. And man, this is awesome. Honestly, this is awesome. And I'm going to tell you something else. Something else I love about this title that most people probably wouldn't notice, and I'm hoping I have one of the only ones. Look at this championship really carefully. The globe is upside down. Look at the globe.
It's upside down?
It's upside down. I don't know how any of you feel about that. I love mistakes. I love mistakes.
It's upside down.
Look at it.
Real?
Look at it.
It is. It's upside down, like for real.
Yo, let me look. Yo, I don't know. Also, on the side plates, it shows all his championship reigns.
He got it.
It shows the date, and the
place.
So you got the date and the place of all his championship wins on the sides. The engraving is awesome.
That's crazy.
Also, too, right here where it says World Heavyweight Champion, it's raised. The letters are raised a lot more than it is on the 2mm championship. And of course, like I said, usually you just have a blank square here. This actually has a plate on it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually a plate on it that says Ric Flair. But that globe is upside down. I don't. I really hope that this is one of very few that has that mistake on it. I hope they aren't all like that, because I love mistakes. It's unique. It becomes unique. It becomes its own character. It becomes its own characteristic. It separates it from everything else, and I like being separated from everything else. I'm not the normal kind of person. I'm not your everyday run-of-the-mill wrestling fan. Damn, I love this belt. Yo, this has become my favorite belt I've ever owned, and I have a bunch of them. I am, without a shadow of a doubt, one of the hashtag Belt Kings. I have a ton of belts. I have
like 12.
thousands and thousands of dollars worth of belts. And right now, and I don't even know what to say. But as of right now, seriously, and I can say a lot, but as of right now, this is absolutely my favorite title. And if I find out that this globe is upside down on accident, and it isn't supposed to be that way, that's going to make this belt even that much better. The only thing missing that I'll be honest with you, I'm going to try my best I'm going to try my best if I can. The only thing missing on this belt is Ric Flair Signature. And I'm going to take this belt everywhere. Every wrestling event I go to. WrestleMania is going to be in Tampa. All the AEW stuff. I'm going to take this belt everywhere until I get Ric Flair's autograph on this belt. I'm really hoping that that's a mistake. You don't even know. I am really hoping that is a mistake.
It looks like it is.
I'm not sending it back. I'm definitely not sending it back. This is the kind of stuff I love. I love stuff like this. You don't even know. Action figures, Legos, comic books. It doesn't matter. Whenever I find something like that has a mistake, I hold on to it forever. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Just something. I'm weird. I'm just weird. I'm just weird. So, what weird? But, anyway, that's going to do it for this unboxing of the Ric Flair Commemorative. This is also the one they showed on WWE television. It's a replica of the one from WWE television for Ric Flair's 70th birthday. This is the replica of that title. And, if you're watching this, Ric Flair, me and you are gonna have to get together. Just let me know where and when to meet you. Just let me know where and when to meet you. I'll be there with the belt and the white Sharpie or silver or gold, whichever color you prefer. And yeah, that's the only thing missing from this belt. This is by far my favorite belt. It's by far right now. This is gonna be my favorite belt. Of course. Ric Flair's been my hero for a long time. Not too many people live the way they speak. Man, I could go on and on. I could go on and on. Anyway, we're going to wrap this up. Yeah. If you enjoyed the content, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, any comments, just leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to be notified every time we upload another video, which... so random. So
very random.
So we upload such random stuff. Every day's an adventure. Okay, just hit the subscription button. And if you want to be notified every time we upload another video, just hit the bell icon right next to the subscription button. And until the next adventure and or title belt. Because I'm going to buy them all. I'm honestly, I'll own them all eventually. So... Deuces.
Deuces.
I hope that's wrong. I hope that's a mistake. I hope that's a mistake.